everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4, which is basically a game where you have to press the button. So, opposite of the name. So it's a game with like mini obbies and things and like little events that we have to complete. It's quite a fun game. I enjoy playing it and I'm playing it right now, so I'm happy. Just get the beach balls out of here. Okay. I'm just waiting for the next event because this one's sort of just for fun. Can we get a... I always die immediately on that one. You know what? No. This is oh, great. There's a tsunami coming. Guys, it's a tsunami. Try and get to high ground. Hurry. Climb for your life. Climb for your life. Climb for your life. Okay. Over here. Oh my. Huh! Did I survive? Reach the end. I've never made it to the end of this one, so I'm excited. We basically turn into bunnies. Very strange bunnies. We can't fall into the quicksand. Oh, I am on edge. Okay. I really want to complete this one. Okay, I'm on the green, which means I got my checkpoint. No, I'm in the quicksand. Okay, at least I have my checkpoint. Wait, why didn't I jump? Wait, do I need to... Oh, I need to jump to start my jumps. Okay, here we go. No! Get out of there! No. Wait, magic carpet. I'm gonna see if my magic carpet can save me. Okay. I'm just gonna click my magic carpet. Okay, I run out of time. But I was gonna try like clicking my... Oh no, a store. Oh my gosh! Okay, this game has been updated. Usually that storm would be like the weakest thing in existence. I'm bringing out the carpet. Just get a coin. Yeah, boo-hoo, I died. No, I didn't. I can still get the bonus from winning. This should be high enough. And dive down. Dive down. Yes. I mean, I got the 5 coins. Done. The money's still there. I might be able to make it. Come on. Go up. Dive down towards here. And that's why it's good to play this game a lot. You have money for the future. Ouch! I hate that one. That's why I should never press the button. Oh no, bad weather. Fly inside the clouds. Okay, let's go above that. What happens if I fly towards the sun? How far am I away from the map? You just get directly above it, and then... Whoa! Bad weather! Ah! Oh gosh, that was right behind me. I'm not clicking the button, thank you very much. Okay, we need to put out the fires. Okay guys, you take that deck, I'll take this one. I feel like it's good if each person's this one. There's nobody there, I think I should jump down there. Yes! I put it out! Wait, I have to get to there. Okay, first of all, put this one out. Okay, now put this one out. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's so many to put out. Okay, then I'll land here and I need to climb up because somebody's already there. Oh my gosh. First of all, wait, blue one. Oh! Oh my. I better not miss the next event. Phew. Most amount of candy. Anybody that watches my channel a lot, know I like candy. Donut. Cookie. Donut. I'm ready. 3. Get my chocolate. Ice cream. Okay, let's see. We need more. Come on, game. Cookie. There's a cookie here. And there are donuts. Nothing on top of you. How did somebody get mad? You know what? I'm impressed. Oh, coin! I need to save up for my new thing. Find the button. You don't have to be in first person for this one. Because it's better to be in first person. You know what? Let me try playing this game in first person. Can I go? Whoa, no. That art of first person. Flying this magic carpet is really hard in first person. Wait, look. Let me follow this rocket. Ow. That rocket there. Well, I can actually keep up with the rockets. It's cool. Wait, where's it going? Come on. Wait, where'd it go? There's another one to follow. Wait. Okay. Follow this one. Wait, where are they going? Wait. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Wait, I won? Oh, yay. Jump over the lasers. Perfect. I'm gonna be really slow, but I'm gonna survive this. Like 100%. I'm good at this one. I'm gonna survive it. Yeah, come on. Send them to me faster. Come on! I haven't taken any damage. I don't know if you can see my HP bar. Wait, let me just take damage. Oh yeah, you can see it. Okay. I was getting worried. But I purposely got hit once. I'm not getting hit again. Come on, game. When's it gonna get hard? It's easy. Psh, I can do that all day, every day. In Roblox. Ooh, come on. I'm too slow. Wait. This one, I like to let everybody else win. Because I literally have a magic carpet, so I can push against it. Come on, please. I just survived. Wait, I actually wanna not be. Oh, this looks even worse. No. Okay, I didn't doom anybody. Nah. No. Okay, I need to be ready to push against the purple screen. Come on, please. Okay. Ooh, yellow. No. Can I? No, I'm not gonna be able to get a yellow. I hate this green. Ooh. Come on. Don't worry, I'm gonna survive. I want to like dye myself a color that I like. Ooh. Yeah, I sort of like that. No, I need to stop doing that because my butt looks weird. I'm sorry, dude. Wait, can I catch up to it? Oh, okay. Now I'm happy this color. I'm happy with the color. Just push against this. Imagine if I could actually stop it. That would be fun. I don't know. I'm just trying to do my best, really. What, am I going down? No, go backwards. Backwards, Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Don't fall in the light. Okay. I won't. I'll just sit here. Hey guys, what's up? At first I thought, like, why are people continuously falling, but it's because I've been using my magic carpet. Okay, yeah, go to that edge. Okay, I don't know what just happened. I'm just watching that. Ooh, okay. Where is it now? To that side. This is awkward. I also don't know why the platform's lifting me up. Oh, over there. Ooh, okay. I'm down. Come on. Don't like being slow. Yeah. You can't touch those rings of fire. I want to go to the place on Earth called the Ring of Fire. Oh my gosh! I didn't know I could jump so high. Wait, what about the ones behind us? Will they catch up? Huh, wait. No, I don't think they're fast enough. Woo! Oh, being... Okay, just keep jumping. Wait. They're firing at us. Ooh! I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I really want to try jumping. No, we have no more jump. Oh, great. Oh, what is up with the lighting? Jump over the incoming lasers. Come on. I'm doing it. Wait, there's a coin right there. I think when I'm up there, I should... Don't get caught. Don't get caught. Oh my gosh. No! He did not touch me! I need to get out of here. I can do this! Just glitch it! Yeah! Feel it! No! Oh! What is this camera angle? Wait, we keep the clothes? Oh, that sucks. Ah! Okay, just stay in the... No, don't stay in the middle! And I think they can still go in. Like, whee! Okay, this should be high enough and dive down. Down. Oh! I didn't go around it. It's up and around and down to the side. Then, just rejoin. See? Oh gosh. Then I have this. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this. We'll be here. Boo. Ooh, I'm on top of here. Yay! Escape the burning building. Escape the burning building. I have a strategy. It involves a magic carpet. Sometimes a jetpack. But magic carpet's better. Oh my gosh. That comes faster than I remember. The jetpack is useless. You need to be able to stay up here without limited time. I touched it just at the last bit. Wait. I love these zombies. One sec. These zombies aren't too hard. If you have a magic carpet, of course. Just do it? Okay. Wait, can I beat that girl? No, everybody's done it. They're good. Oh, statue, you're so beautiful. Why did I faint? These are like the least organized houses ever. 72 is this way. There we go. Alright, go. I don't know why I'm laughing, it's just gonna explode. Okay, rain. Was the rain? Ooh. Ow. I hurt myself. In real life and in the game. You need a cloud. Ooh, okay. Just stay under the cloud. Stay under. Ooh, okay. Now, will it work? There should be plants growing. Yes, now I have green on me. It's beautiful. Okay. I mean, do I look awkward? I don't think so. Wait, is it here? Nope, it's over here. No! Where is that vent at? Okay. No. Okay. See if I can survive this one without cheating. Okay. Getting harder. Starting to get faster. Oh no, a volcano. No, why are you raining off of the map? Dude! Okay. Okay. Game, please don't charge me for Robux. Oh my. Does my cloud actually work? Oh, of course my foot gets give me rain. Oh, it's raining off of the map again, and soon my shiny foot's gonna disappear. Please can it just... Oh my gosh! The cube. Okay. Oh my gosh! Okay, this way. I need... Cloud! Okay. Cloud, hurry. Cloud? Wait. Was that it? Oh my. Are you trying to get me under the cloud? Come on. Rain on top of me. Quickly. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. suppose. I think I'm gonna switch out what no. I think I'm gonna, I'm not sure. Okay, quickly let me get to the top. The old-fashioned way, instead of just using my magic carpet. If I fall, I'm gonna use my magic carpet. But I consider myself good at jumping, so theoretically, is that a word? Theoretically, I should be able to do it. Like if I'm... You sent me a friend request. I don't even know you. Yes! Oh my! I don't even know this message. Okay. Zoom in. I don't even know you. Somebody's sending me a friend request. So I want them to walk up to me with their Roblox character. Come on. Somebody else landed on there. Ooh! Ow! That was brutal. Okay, red light. Green light. Oh my. And just for funsies, like, please guys don't get mad at me. Don't get mad at me. Oh no. Please don't get mad at me. Don't get mad at me. There we go. And wait, is this the cube? Now it's safe. Okay, come on. Got the ball. No! Okay, now let me use this thing properly. Watch out, you have a ball. It's not my fault, I had to blow the explosion away from me. What, do you want Cavell blowing up? Seriously, you want your favorite YouTuber to be blown up? Am I your favorite YouTuber? I want them. Come on, like this video if I'm your favorite YouTuber. No! Magic carpet time. I am angry. I am angry. Magic carpet for the win. Yay. This is probably creepy that I'm sort of in the shadows. I need my... No, I don't wanna fight. I wanna drink invincibility. 1000 HP potion. Now I'm ready to fight. Take me on. Oh! It just did 1000 damage in about 5 seconds. Okay, they are strong. I'll give it to them. One. Oh! Spike. Okay. This game gets really tricky really quickly. Okay. Okay. Just try to... Is this the safe tunnel? Is it safe here? No, it is! Wait. Okay. Push the ice orb off. Come on, guys. Help me. Come on. Get the ice orb off the lobby. Uh-oh. Magic carpet. Come on. Tried to get my magic carpet out in time. Oh, I just died 2 times in a row. Oh, you're the chosen one to stay. Good for you. No, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Oh gosh, I'm not ready. Okay. Heal, come on. Heal, faster. Heal. Okay. Where am I? Walk towards the light. Oh my. Let me out. I got kicked out of this event. No. Angle myself downwards. 8. Oh my. Okay. Reach the end. Tra-la-la doo-dee-doo-dee, tra-la-la doo-dee-doo-doo, tra-la-doo-dee-doo, doo-dee-da-da-doo-dee-doo-doo, doo-dee-da-dee-da-la-la-doo-dee-da-la-da-doo-doo-doo-dee, doo-dee-da. Then I know how to do. They can't see it. Well done me. Also proves that I have good memory, right? Just making sure nobody can see it. Okay. I'm gonna get a little bit mad. Okay, wait. First person blowage. I want some blowage. No. Hide in the Christmas tree. Get out. Okay. Go! Okay. Zoom out. What's going on? It's a snowball fight. Okay. Just go really fast. Cut. Hit. What's too fast for you? Yeah! I'm just gonna die now. Nobody look at me. Nobody look at me. I'm gonna get my snowball out. Okay. Now let's do this. Ow! Zoom out. Can't actually see where the mines are. Ow! Okay. How many times can I... Yay! Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!